it's a cow or a unicorn. I think it might be a cow, but anyway, whatever it is, this is one of the bags that I got. Hello, how do you do? Hope you're doing well. I don't know, what day is it today? It is a Thursday, but it is a very sunny Thursday today. The sun is back in Nairobi. I'm super excited. Hope you're having a wonderful week so far. I don't know, by the time I publish this, it might be a different day of the week, so it could be the start of a Monday, but I hope you're having a lovely Monday or whatever day it is, and super restful and also just feeling fruitful as well. But anyway, today's episode or today's video is about I went to Gikomba market. So I wanted to see the difference because sometimes I shop close to or shop at toy market because I find it a little bit easier to shop in toy because I mentally know where everything is, as compared to Gikomba where I'm like, okay, it's much bigger and there's like a lot of stuff and a lot of vendors and so much variety. It's amazing. Okay, it's super amazing shopping Gikomba, but I always find it more because I could spend like a whole day there or even two, so I usually find it more consuming, but nonetheless, shopping in Gikomba is super fun. But today I was going specifically just for like bags and for coats, and I was like, okay, maybe I'll get a few shoes. So because Gikomba is also quite close to Kamukunji, I was like, I'm gonna pick up a few stuff from there as well. So in terms of pricing, a bag that you would get in toy for like 300 shillings or 500 shillings would be about 100 shillings or 200 shillings in Gikomba market, which is amazing also because I think most of the time what's in Gikomba market is like first dibs, but then I also think that vendors that are selling in toys sometimes get their stuff from Gikomba and bring it, so like it's more camera. When they say camera means like newer stuff, like they've just opened the bale. But anyway, I'm just babbling and you're like, we want to see the stuff, so I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got. These socks, and these I got from Kamukunji, and so it's a set of 12 socks, and it was 600 shillings. Let's start with the bags. So one of the bags that I got, but I was just so drawn to it. Just give it a chance, okay? Give it a chance. It may look like, why did you buy that? But I feel like this bag has potential, okay? So I feel like I wish I'd stuffed this before. But anyway, so this is the bag. You're like, what is this? So I think it's a cow. If anybody knows what this is, I think it's a cow. It looks like a cow. I think it's at first I thought it was a unicorn because it has like this spike here, but I think it's a cow. But anyway, so the only thing about this bag is that it has transfer stains on it, so I need to figure out how to get those done. I think that will be a cool, I'm gonna like do some research and find out how to get that done, how to get that out. But yeah, I think this is, I hope it's vegan leather, but I think it's a leather bag and it has like, it's a cow thing. You know what, I'll try and find like a picture of it, of what it's supposed to look like. But I think right now it still needs to get some loving done, but it has like a cute little horn. I don't know if it's a cow or a unicorn. I think it might be a cow, but anyway, whatever it is, this is one of the bags that I got. I'm just gonna change the lighting a bit and make it a bit darker. Yes, I think that is definitely better. Another bag that I got was this purple. Oh, that bag, the cow horse thing, was 100 shillings. I also got this velvety bag. So I think the thing about these bags is that I need to stuff them just so they can, I guess because during transportation they were just like squashed completely, so they need like to be stuffed and fluffed. But it is such a beautiful purple velvet bag. I think I don't know why I picked this, but I just thought the handle of it was quite cool. It's just like pearls, and I think I can put this on another bag. But yeah, it has like these frills. I think this is what I have to then figure out how to like, I'll stuff this in so it can shape up. definitely stuff this in so it can shape up, but I think it's such a cute bag as well. And it's white. Oh no, okay, it also has a few, I don't know, these transfer stains. I wish I could like sort them out before they ship them. That would be great, so we don't have stuff with like transfer stains. Okay, another bag that I got. This bag I love. I absolutely love this one. I think I just have to iron this strap and it'll be perfect, but look at that. And this is just straight from my bag, like I haven't done anything to this, but like, yeah, so I think this, I'll just have to clean this around this area, but like, look at that bag. Isn't it so lovely? And it has like an extra strap and it looks like brass, like it has like a brass color. It's not gold, but brass. It has like a brass color and it looks like, at first I thought it was a fanny pack, so I think I can carry it either like this. Oh no, I hope the whole of that wasn't out of focus, but yes, so I can carry it. Yeah, I think now there's the focus. So I can carry it like this. And yes, this is the bag. I really like this bag, so I'll also just clean this up and get that out, but it's such a cute bag. I'll try and revamp this. I'll figure out how to like straight, because I think this is quite, because of the transportation, this is like, the strap almost looks abandoned. Okay, another bag that I got, it may not look like much from now, but it is this. It's like clear. I definitely have to like clean the inside, but it's clear. And of course I'll just try to force it open, but it's clear. It's a clear bag. That bag as well, I got for 200. This I got for 50 shillings actually. But yes, I definitely want to clean this up. I think it'll be a very cute bag. This is another bag that I got. This I got for 100 shillings. It's a cute purple bag and it has like a few of the vet designs over here, which I think is super cute. This bag I think also maybe just slight ironing and stuffing, and it'll just be to its full self again. Another one that I got was this by Choco Win. Yeah, it says Choco Win, so I think this is another bag, and I got it because I really loved these frills and also the purple. I think I got a lot of purple stuff today, the purple and the brown, and I felt like this design here almost looked like a shoe, so I thought that was quite cute. Oh, okay, so I got this hat. You're probably wondering, why do you have this hat? I think this hat would just be great for a photo shoot. Sometimes I like to buy like unique pieces, and I think this hat will be quite nice for a photo shoot. So I'll show you the shoes I got. They're a bit like, but I just love, I wanted shoes like this for a really long time, and I wanted them in pink, but I could never find it in my size. But so then this time I found something in my size, but look at them. They're like a disco ball. Look at those, like look at that heel. It's like that shoe. I was just like, wow. And I got these for 600 shillings. I think this is like the most I've spent on thrifted shoes, but I absolutely love these. I don't know who they're by. I'm just excited to wear these. Like, oh, another bag that I got is, oh, had some tape on it, is this pink bag by Charles and Keith. I think it's a really cute, like, it's shaped almost like a basket or like a bucket hat. I think it's a really cute bag. I just have to like stuff it to flatten it all out. Ooh, another pair of shoes. Another pair of shoes that I got that I really like was these. Look at these shoes, and they have like the, like they have like the holes on them as well. They're really cool shoes. I think I can wear those socks that I got with these shoes. I don't know who they're by though, but they don't look worn at all. Like the sole is, they look pretty much new. Oh, I also got another pair of socks. These were, because I didn't want to buy like a whole dozen, so these were like 50 shillings each, so I just bought 3 pairs, and I guess I can wear these with some sort of outfit. I think they look great as well. Oh, I also got this bucket hat with like this print. I think this is also a super cool bucket hat. Yes, those are the pieces that I got. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you want me to try on. Let me know what you want me to get. And also, I'm gonna put at the bottom, I'm gonna put I made a map of toy, so you can easily, and I put like really cute pink icons so you can easily know where. And the map, I made it on Google, so you can like see the pink stuff, the pink icons on Google, so you can know where it is you want to go to get shoes, like just general area to get shoes, general area for dresses, for denim and everything, just in case it's somebody you like to go to toy and they've never been and maybe you have no one to go with. So it's just great if you have a map and you know where to get stuff. Also, exploring is also fun, so you can also go and explore yourself, but if you just want to go and you specifically want to get one item, you can check out the map. I'll put it down below. So thank you for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, let me know. Anything you want me to try, also let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.